Ceaz the Builder. Can we fix it? Ceaz the Builder. Yes, we can.
What up, it's your boy Ceaz Da Builder here, man. I'm about to show y'all how to turn this basement from this to this, you feel me? So, it first started off as a basement here, man. As you can see, there used to be 2 rooms down here, but they were never really occupied and we never really used the downstairs. So now it's about time to maximize our square footage. I started off making some drawings, just a conceptual vision to show off how I want to make the layout. I wish I had some footage of the demo work, but to catch you up to speed, I tore down all the walls, ripped up some carpet, and began the framing process. And I just began to frame more and more and more and more until I completed all the way around the room. Then the next phase was drywall. Drywall was not my favorite part, man. It was a very intricate and strategic and overall messy part. You can see me throwing up the hook. But anyway, finished kind of drywalling in the main areas. You'll see some open spots there. That's where I have to get some electrical work in, because you see I'm just dealing off with 1 lamp. Look how dark that light is over there. And then shout out to my mama. She was like, put me a laundry room down there. So, you know, I had to make her a laundry room, you feel me? Shout out to my dude. But then eventually I got the electrical work done and I could go back over and drywall and insulate those critical spots that I once had open. I continue to do the drywalling. And then you see I got a lot more to go. So I just finished that little corner. That was my little test corner. But now, you know, we're making some progress. We're making our way around the room with the drywall. And most importantly, because that thing was a little expensive. Ain't nobody got time to pay all that money at once, so I had to buy it in phases. But yeah, the light started flickering. I had to call the electrician back out there. Real annoying. He came out and fixed it in a hurry though, you know, real promptly. Shout out to my boy Smook right there, man. He helped me out with at least 20% of this project, man. But yep, I made my way around the room. Or making around, haven't quite done all the patchwork yet. Just another little view around the wall. Had to leave that opening because it was material in the garage over there, and I just had to use it for easy access. But now going back, we eventually closed it. I wish we would have left it open. It would have been very convenient. So now, almost done with the drywall. We making our way around the room here, and we got it. Now we just have to finish taping around our whole room. And I know it look a hot mess right now. One of my most hated tasks of this project was sanding this drywall. Complete nightmare. But yeah, that was phase 1 of the project. Stick around for part 2. I'll show you how I finished. And don't forget, subscribe to you, boy.